excited to do word problems? Raise your hand if you guys excited.
Yes.
Yes. So we're gonna do addition and subtractions. So you guys know addition?
What's addition?
Addition means it's all together. And so all together. So you guys know what subtraction is?
What is it?
Raise your hand. Yes, Christina?
Putting everything together?
Nope.
What is it?
It means taken away. Taken away is called minus. So that means subtractions. So I'm gonna pass out you guys worksheets. You guys have a pencil something? All right. Write your name on there. So, you guys wrote a name on there?
Yeah.
All right. So I have these objects right here. We're going to do them from the worksheets. So who's going to read number 1? Raise your hand. Yes, Christina?
Okay. Henry has 12 pens. Christina will like 2 pens. How many pens did Henry have left?
Okay. So how many pens do you need a pen? How many pens do you want?
12.
Okay. So here's 12 pens. Can you count it for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. Can you read in the second one?
Christina will like 2 pens.
Okay. Can you take 2 pens out of there?
1, 2.
Okay. So read the last question.
How many pens did Christina have left?
Okay. So how many you have left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. So it's 10 pens. Everybody say together. Say, answer is 10 pens. All right, write that piece of paper.
10.
Okay. Who wants to read question 2? Henry Jr.
Bailey has 2 water bottles and Stephanie has 5 water bottles. How many water bottles do Bailey and Stephanie have together?
Good. So how many water bottles do you need?
5.
5. All right, count for me. How many water bottles do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Can you read the second one?
How many water
No.
bottles?
Can you read the next person?
Oh, and Stephanie has 5 water bottles.
No. 2 water bottles.
Oh,
I give you 5. How many more?
2 more.
Yeah, 2
Oh,
more.
1, 6, 7.
So answer is
7
water
Water
bottles.
bottles.
Okay, good. So let's put this.
Can I have a water bottle? Can I drink one?
Sure.
No. Or later?
Later. Sure, but later. Okay. Who wants to read question number 3? Henry Sr. Go.
Rocky has 9 cookies. Brianna would like 6 cookies. How many cookies did Rocky have left?
Good. So, how many cookies? Read the first question.
Rocky has 9 cookies.
So, how many I'm going to give to you?
9 cookies.
Okay. Count. How many cookies do you have on you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. Can you read the second one for me?
Brianna would like 6 cookies.
Okay. So,
Juliana would like 6 cookies.
So take away how many?
6.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So how many you have left?
I have 3 cookies.
So 3 cookies. So the answer is
3.
Three.
altogether
Three
3 cookies. Okay. Who wants to read number 4? Raise your hand for me. Henry Jr.
Billy has 4 apples and Sophie has 1 apple. How many apples do Billy and Sophie have together?
Okay. Good. So we don't have apples. We have orange. Pretend they're the apples.
Oh, I like oranges.
Me too.
Me
So-
3.
How many does Billy have right now?
4.
4. Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. So how many more cookies Sophie has?
Cookies
I
or
mean,
apples?
Apples. How many?
Or
My bad.
oranges.
Not cookies. Apples. How many apples Sophie has? What?
Or oranges,
Or
teacher?
oranges.
Sophie has 1 apple.
So yes. So
The
Sophie has.
answer's 5.
No, not yet.
You're good.
Not yet, Junior.
How many apples?
one.
did you
One.
put
Okay.
together?
So how many all together? Count for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. So the answer is all together.
5
Cookies.
Orange.
Oranges.
Oranges.
5 oranges.
He wants cookies, teacher.
Later.
Apple.
Nope. Later.
Aw.
Later. Okay. Who wants to read number 5 for me?
I will.
Okay, Christina.
Alex has 6 pencils. Christian will like 4 pencils. How many pencils did Alex have left?
Good. So how many pencils does Alex have right now?
6.
6. Can you count it for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. How many pencils Christian will like have?
4.
Okay, 4. Can you count it 4 for me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. So how many do you have left?
1, 2,
Good. So the answer is 2
2
pencils.
pencils.
2 pencils.
Okay. Take those. All right. So question 6. Who wants to read question 6? Henry Senior. Go ahead.
Gabby has 2 balls and Juliana has
Juliana.
has 7 balls. How many balls do Gabby and Juliana have together?
Okay. So we don't have no balls. So these are shells. Pretend they're the balls.
Okay.
Okay. So how many does Gabby's have?
Yes, Gabby has 2 balls.
In 2 shells.
Oh, 2 shells, yes.
Okay. So how many does Juliana have?
7.
7.
7 shells.
So can you count it for me what Juliana has?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Okay. So how many in total do you have right now?
Total?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. So the answer is
9
shells.
Shells.
question 7. Which one wants to read me question 7? Okay?
Yes.
Christina. Go ahead.
Mario has 10 colored pencils. Natalie will like 7 colored pencils. How many colored pencils did Mario have left?
Good. So how many colored pencils does Mario have right now?
10.
10. So can you count it for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. So how many Nelly needs what?
7.
7. Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. So how many do you have left?
Oops. 1, 2, 3.
Good. Say it together.
3.
3 colored
Color.
pencils.
Pencils.
3 colored pencils.
Okay. Are you tired of that, Junior?
Oh,
No? Let's do this all together. Can all of you guys read number 8 for me together?
Okay.
Christina
Dina
has
has 2
2
batteries, and
Diana
Dina has 3 batteries. How many batteries do Christina and Dina have together? So raise your hand. Raise your hand. How many batteries does Christina have? Hunter, Junior?
2.
2. I'll give you. So can you count for me?
1, 2.
Alright. How many berries does Dina have? Raise your hand. Christina?
3.
3. Good. Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3.
3. So in together, how many have batteries all together?
1,
Can you count?
2,
2.
3, 4, 5.
Good. So say together. 5.
Batteries.
Batteries. Okay. Okay. Well, number 9. Let's read together for number 9.
Grace has
10 markers.
Yanni would like 3 markers. How many markers did Grace have left? So, excuse me. Excuse me. Raise your hand. How many markers does Grace have? Hunter Senior.
Grace has 10 markers.
So 10 markers. Can you count it for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. So raise your hand. How many markers does Yanni need or like? Christina.
3.
3. Oh. How many do you have for me?
1, 2, 3.
3. So Henry Senior, how many you have left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Good. So correct answer is
7
markers.
markers.
Let's read the last question.
Oh, so I think.
Last question. You ready? Read all together. Aaron
Aaron
has 5 erasers.
And
And Lisa has erasers? How many erasers do Aaron and Lisa have together? Good. So we don't have erasers, we have Skittles. Pretend they're erasers. So raise your hand. How many Aarons have Skittles? Raise your hand. Henry Jr.
Yes, five
Skittles.
Skittles.
Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So raise your hand. How many Skittles does Lisa have? Let me see.
Lisa has 4 Skittles.
Skittles. How many do you have for me?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So all together, count Skittles you have. All together.
Put them together and count.
Henry Jr., count you have together. Henry Sr., Henry Jr., count how many you have Skittles together.
1,
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. So the correct answer is 9 Skittles.
Skittles.
Good. So that's it. You guys having fun?
Yes.
What you like? So what do you like the most of these objects? Which one's your favorite?
Oh.
My favorite is the orange.
Your favorite is the orange dish. Christina, which one's your favorite objects?
The seashells.
The seashells. Henry Jr., which one's your favorite?
The crackers.
The crackers. So me, my favorite objects is Skittles.
Ooh, I'm tired.
I know you're time. Just quiet down, please. Thank you.
What should I have for rest?
You can't have a rest. Also, you gotta do the problems. The word problems at the end. So, so the last question is, Aaron's has 5 Skittles, and Lisa has 4 Skittles. How many Skittles do Aaron and Lisa have together?
Oh.
Here you go. Henry, sit up. Pay attention.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You guys done? You need 30 more seconds.
I'm done.
You're done? You're saying that you're done,
I'm
or
not sure.
you need a little bit more? Okay. Henry Jr., you need help, or?
No.
You're done? Okay. Henry Sr., you done, or you need a little bit more time?
I'm done.
Okay. Henry Jr., you're done, or you need a little bit more time?
Okay.
Okay. So let's read this again. So Aaron has 5 erasers, and Lisa has, 5 Skittles, not erasers, and Lisa has 4 Skittles. How many Skittles do Aaron and Lisa have together? So, Christina, count how many Skittles you have for Aaron?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Henry Jr., how many Skittles will Lisa have?
4.
4. So altogether, answer is 9
9
Skittles.
Skittles.
Okay. So, you guys, you want to eat the Skittles? That's fine. You can have it. You can eat Skittles if you want. And when you're done eating, we're gonna go back to the beginning of questions. After you're done eating Skittles.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
I'll eat mine later.
Me.
Okay. So you guys eating yours later? Okay. So, okay. So we just finished all the objects. So now we're gonna go back those questions. We're gonna compare the pictures. So, raise your hand who wants to read the question number 1 for me. Henry Sr., go.
Henry has 12 pens. Christina would like 2 pens. How many pens did Henry have left?
Good. So can you count how many pens does Henry have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Good. Count how many pens does Christina would like?
1, 2.
Good. So 12 minus 2 equals?
10.
Good. Say it all together. Correct answer is
10
10
pens.
pens.
10 pens.
Okay. Good. I'll give you a thumbs up for that. Who wants to read with me question number 2?
Me.
Raise your hand. Christina, go.
Bailey has 2 water bottles and Stephanie has 5 water bottles. How many water bottles do Bailey and Stephanie have together?
Good. So can you count how many water bottles does Billy have? Use your fingers or pencil.
1, 2.
Good. Can you count how many water bottles does Stephanie have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. And all together, how many do they have all together, the water bottles?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. So it's correct. So say it all together. Answer is 7
7
water
water
bottles. Good job. Thumbs up for you, Christina. 2 thumbs up. Double thumbs up. Alright, who wants to read? Oh, Henry Jr., can you read number 3 for me, please?
Rocky has 9 cookies. Brianna would like 6 cookies. How many cookies does Rocky have left?
Good. So count how many cookies does Rocky have? Use your pencil or your finger.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
Good. Can you count how many cookies does Brianna has?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. So Rocky gave Brianna 6 cookies. So how many cookies does Rocky have left?
3.
Correct. So correct answer is
3
cookies. Good. Who wants to read number 4 for me? Raise your hand. Christina.
Billy has 4 apples. And Sophie has 1 apple. How many apples do Billy and Sophie have together?
Good. Can you count for me how many apples does Billy have? Use your finger.
1,
That's all.
2, 3, 4.
Good. And how many? Can you count how many apples does Sophie have?
1.
Good. And all Yes, please, thank you.
Sorry.
Okay. Raise your hand who wants to read number 5 for me. Go ahead, Henry Senior.
Alex has 6 pencils. Christina would like 4 pencils.
Christian.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Christian would like 4 pencils. How many pens did Alex have left?
Good. Can you count how many pencils does Alex have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. Can you count Christians have pencil, will like have pencil, have what? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. So Alex gave 4 pencils to Christian. So how many pencils does Alex have left?
2 pencils.
Good. So the correct answer is
2.
2
pencils. Okay. So who wants to read for me number 6? Raise your hand. Go ahead, Christina.
Gabby has 2 balls. Juliana has 7 balls. How many balls do Gabby and Juliana have together?
Okay, can you count how many balls does Gabby have?
1, 2.
Good. Next one. How many balls does Juliana have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And good. Can you count how many balls they have all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. So correct answer is 9
9
balls.
Balls.
So, who wants to read question number 7? Go ahead, Henry Jr.
Mine has 10 pencils. Natalie would like 7 colored pencils.
Finish your yawning. Cover your mouth, please.
I'm sorry. How many colored pencils did Mario have left?
Good. Can you count how many colored pencils does Mario have?
1, 2, 3, 4,
They're all
5,
colored up.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Can you count how many colored pencils does Natalie? Wait, how many colored pencils does Mario give away for Natalie? Finish your yawning. Cover your mouth, sir, please.
My bad. Can you repeat that question?
Sure. How many does Mario gave 7 colored pencils? How many does Nellie have? Can't use your pencil or
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good. So Nellie has 7 colored pencils. How many colored pencils does Mario have left?
3.
Yep, 3. Say all together. Correct answer is 3
Three
colored
colored
pencils. Okay. All right. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Raise your hand who wants to read number 8. Your senior. You okay?
Yeah.
Read number 8.
Christina has 2 batteries. Indiana, Dina has 3 batteries. How many batteries do Christina and Dina have together?
Good. Can you count how many berries does Christina have?
1, 2, 3.
Good. Count how many berries does Christina has?
1, 2.
Good. And then put all together. How many berries does Christina and Dina have all together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. Can you sit up for me, please? Thank you. and be a good student in this class. Okay, so say it together. So correct answer is 5
Five
batteries. Excuse me,
Oh, I'm sorry, lady.
teacher.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, who wants to read question number 9? Christina.
Grace has 10 markers. Yanni would like 3 markers. How many markers did Grace have left?
Okay, so count how many markers does Grace have right now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10.
Good. So how many markers does Grace give Yanni?
3.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Good. So how many does Grace have left?
7.
7. So correct answer is, say all together, 7
7 markers.
markers.
Sorry. 7, right?
Yes. Yes. Are you paying attention?
I'm sorry, teacher, that I'm so tired.
All right. So last question. Who wants to read the last question for me? All right, Abby, can you go?
Aaron has 5 eraser and Lisa has 4 eraser. How many erasers do Aaron and Lisa have together?
Good. Can you count how many erasers does Aaron have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good. And can you count how many erasers does Lisa have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. You put all together and count how many erasers does Aaron and Lisa have all together? I don't know. Thank you.
9?
Count.
Oh, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. So can you say all together? Answer is 9
9
erasers.
erasers. Good. Good job, guys. Well, we finished all the questions. So you guys like to take your objects home with you guys?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone like Skittles to take home? We have Skittles on the table.
I'll take them.
Okay. You guys want to take it home? And who likes oranges? Who wants to take it home?
I'll take the oranges.
Take the oranges
Oh.
home?
One.
Yeah. Who else wants to take orange home? Okay. Henry Jr., do you want to take the oranges home or you don't have to?
Yeah, I will.
There you go. And you guys, Henry Sr., careful. Okay. So you guys like crackers. Who wants to take home crackers? Who wants to take it home? Okay. How many do you want?
Give me 2.
2. There you go.
Thank you.
So you want to count for me?
1, 2.
Good. Christine, you like to take crackers home?
10.
10? Okay. So can you count how many have crackers? Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. And oh yeah, Skittles. Can you count how many Skittles you have right there? Can you see that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Good. Count how many Skittles you have, Henry Sr.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Good. I like to see like I like you have like an order of colors. I see green, 5 greens together in colors. Or I like you organize the colors. I like it.
You like it? I like it too.
That's nice.
I got 5 green ones. I got number 5 purple ones.
Count how many you have orange.
I got 2 orange,
And yellow,
1 yellow, and I got another orange.
another orange. And count how many Skittles you have right now, Henry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good. Can you count how many colors you have in Skittles?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. You have 4 green Skittles. Count how many you have in yellow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. Can you count how many red Skittles?
1, 2, 3.
Good. So you have 4 green Skittles, 4 yellow Skittles, and red Skittles. How many colors do you have on your Skittles?
I have 4 colors.
4 colors. Count how many you have.
I have 13.
13. Can you count how many orange Skittles you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. You have 4 orange Skittles. And count how many you have green Skittles.
1, 2, 3.
So you have 3 green Skittles. How many you have yellow Skittles?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good, you have yellow Skittles. How many red Skittles? How many you have?
2.
2 red Skittles. So you have 4 orange Skittles, 3 green Skittles, 4 yellow Skittles, and 2 red Skittles. You like water? Okay. Alright, so good job, guys. Hope you guys have fun.
Yes.
So, yeah. So, hope you guys enjoy the food I gave you guys. You can take it home with you. So, before you start leaving, anyone you like shells?
I'll take some seashells.
Seashells? Yeah. You can take, how many you want?
I just want the big one.
Okay, you can take the big one. You like any other shells than a big one? What about you?
I'll take this one.
Next time, Henry Jr.
Uh-huh.
What about you?
This one.
Okay, so
And which one would you like?
I like these shells, 2 shells for the teacher. So good job, guys. You guys have fun. You like the objects.
Mm-hmm.
It's good for you guys.
Yes.
So give a thumbs up and clap. Have a great evening. What do you say?
You too.
You too.
Thank you.